I have here. This
Might
is
have been controlled burn.
oh. When they do this, there are lots of animals die. Why do they do this? I don't like that.
Maybe it was accident. I don't know.
I don't know. It looks really bad to me.
It looks like it was a controlled
It's
burn.
even smell bad, so it's fresh. They just did it. Oh, do I feel bad for? Oh. Let's go see. Right by the lake.
So the orange trail goes that way.
Yeah. You feel? Ah, yeah. So what is the blue one?
I would have to look at the map.
Yeah, we come back. I just wanna see those little house right there. It's even smell still. Oh, look! Oh shit!
Still burning.
It's not a control burn. It's like. Oh shit! It's fresh. Oh, don't know what is it. Oh, it's very fresh. Oh,
Still hot.
oh shit. Huh. 1 second, my shoes are dirty now.
I forgot how you say hot.
Привет.
Cold is холодно.
Холодно, да.
That's cold.
Yes.
What's hot?
Горячо.
Huh?
Oh, look, it's all of this. Oh. Where is the little house? Oh, it's behind it. Oh, I cannot get there. Let's go. It's another. Oh, so those roads we didn't go. That's where is it?
That's probably
Huh?
no trespassing.
Uh huh.
Okay, so you know where you are. We're not on the orange trail no more.
I have no idea where I am. You wanna go? You wanna go back? I think we already saw this. We walked here. It was just. Who did that?
Bicycle.
Oh.
This is the burnt trail. It ain't orange anymore. It's black.
Yeah,
It's the black trail.
freaking crazy. Let's see how deep is this. Oh, it's over. So it's not a lot. Oh, now it's pretty again, huh? Oh no, look. It's still over here.
How long does that battery last?
I have another one, last one. I think I need to buy extra batteries because I have only 3. Oh shit, it's so
What's
long.
my name?
Res. Oh shit.
Oh, you bad.
I am. Sorry.
Remember? Rrr.
I said
Rrr. You don't remember nothing?
I just did. I said don't you hear? Res.
Russell.
Russell, not wrestle. Russell. Oh, I feel so bad. Look, all of this is a pound. Just imagine how many animals die here. It's really bad.
Probably more bugs because animals can run.
Like
bugs.
turtles cannot run.
Maybe hopefully they looked and see if anything's
I
around.
know, yeah, who are you gonna look at the amount of land burned? You can't go and look everything. There's no way. It even smells fresh. It's
Stinks.
yeah. It's probably they did it yesterday. I think maybe yesterday park was closed or something. Oh, it's so beautiful now again. Look all these trees still burning here. It's a little bit over here still. Russell, right?
Russell.
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 With Russell. Oh my gosh, so beautiful.
Huh?
So beautiful here. What?
Look, we're going back into the burn.
But because we're going on circle.
They burn a lot.
Yeah. No, it looks really bad to me.
Supposed to be a nature trail.
It's supposed to be enjoyable, yeah. Look.
Maybe we'll get out of this, it'll be better.
Hmm?
Maybe once we get away from this, it'll be better.
And let me also tell you 100% very bad thing. Birds now, they have nest and babies eggs and babies cannot fly. And they're doing control burning now when babies. This is ridiculous. You understand?
I understand.
I can't.
I don't understand why they do it.
So
Or it was an accident.
so maybe it's accident because
I mean, why would you do that? You don't really need to.
the birds right now they have nests. You understand?
Yep.
And they cannot fly away. There's no way. It means they died. This looks really bad to me. I'm gonna come back, get home and I Google about control burning, but I don't believe people. So well, people stupid. Excuse me. Yes, I believe people very stupid. That's what humans do. How are you gonna in spring season when everyone have babies? You do stuff like this. Who are you after that? I don't understand. I'm gonna come. I'm sorry. That's what it is.
Yeah, this is terrible.
Huh?
This is terrible.
It is terrible. Everyone has babies now. Every single animal has babies. They have eggs. Turtles have eggs. Birds have eggs. There's no way to survive. Eggs won't survive like this. This is terrible. Look, it's still still smelling bad. Don't understand. I feel so upset.
What's the name of this place?
No, Guana Lake Dam. You can Google, see control burning, which period it should be made it. I don't believe it should be made in when everyone have babies. I don't believe.
Fire in Guana Lake. Prescribed burn today, Wednesday. So they did it Wednesday.
Because it's still fire right there.
It just said prescribed burn.
How you prescribe? I don't know. If everyone have babies, that's part I don't understand. All these poor birds, their eggs is born. Look, all these birds flying around now.
Yeah, they ruined it for us too.
Huh?
They ruined it for us too.
Yes, so
There's
it's
a
not.
bench. You need to sit down.
Yeah. Where?
Right here.
What is it,
A
bench?
bench, so you can sit down. You
Okay.
want to sit down?
No.
Huh?
No, I just want to see the bench and the bushes. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, some water there.
Huh? Oh, that's why.
That's why the bench is over here.
Yeah.
You see a frog.
Yeah, so you can watch frogs. Look, it's a nice place for kayaking.
Yeah, I
over
was
here.
gonna say that too. We can kayak right here.
It's kind of deep enough to kayak.